Over the past decade, a large number of digital products have appeared in the self-development market that combine meditation, sound recordings, and concepts drawn from spiritual traditions. Many of these products focus on ideas such as consciousness, vibrational energy, and the concept of manifestation. In this context, manifestation refers to the belief that thoughts or internal states can influence external outcomes. These products often combine several elements: audio recordings, written guides, and structured routines intended to guide users through repeated listening or meditation practices. One example of this format is a program known as the Midas Manifestation System. The product presents itself as a structured set of audio recordings paired with written materials. Its central premise is based on the idea that sound frequencies can interact with conceptual energy centers in the body, often described as chakras in spiritual traditions. The system is delivered entirely online and is structured as a digital audio-based program. In this video, we'll look at how the product is organized, how it is intended to be used, and where it fits within the broader category of audio-based manifestation tools. The Midas Manifestation System is a digital program composed primarily of 5 audio tracks. Each track is associated with a specific chakra concept and is described as using particular sound frequencies. The structure of the system is sequential but modular. Users receive access to all components at once and can listen to the recordings based on the instructions provided in the guide. The 5 audio tracks are named Manifest Destiny, Divine Willingness, Anahata Bliss, Manipura Consciousness, Midas Unleashed. According to the product documentation, each track is linked to a different conceptual energy center. For example, the third eye chakra is associated with awareness and perception, while the crown chakra is associated with connection to a larger consciousness framework. The root chakra, which is emphasized in the final audio track, is described as relating to stability, survival, and material conditions. Alongside the audio tracks, the program includes written material. One of these documents is a quick start guide that explains when and how to listen to the recordings. Another is a longer illustrated book called the Midas Manifestation Handbook, which contains explanations related to manifestation ideas, chakras, and frequency concepts. A second written document created with a hypnotist expands on similar themes through additional written material. The primary interaction with the system happens through listening. Users are instructed to play the audio tracks according to a routine described in the Quick Start Guide. This routine determines when to listen, how often to listen, and how long to continue the listening process. In most cases, programs in this category recommend listening during quiet periods, such as before sleep or during relaxation sessions. The recordings themselves are designed as passive experiences. This means the user is not required to perform complex exercises or active participation beyond listening. The written materials are optional, but serve as explanatory context for the concepts behind the system. In practice, the product functions similarly to other digital meditation audio programs. The difference lies primarily in how the audio tracks are framed, specifically through the use of named frequencies and chakra associations. Audio-based manifestation programs tend to attract a specific type of audience. These products generally appeal to people who are interested in meditation, spirituality, manifestation concepts, frequency-based relaxation audio. They may also appeal to people who prefer passive formats rather than structured training programs. Unlike courses that require step-by-step exercises or lessons, this type of product centers on repeated listening. The written material is present but not required for basic use of the system. As a result, the level of user effort is relatively low compared with more intensive learning programs, Within the broader digital self-development market, the Midas Manifestation System falls into a recognizable category. Many similar products use combinations of binaural beats, meditation music, chakra-focused audio, guided manifestation recordings. The defining structural feature of this particular system is the 5-track format organized around different chakra concepts. Another characteristic is the inclusion of written companion materials, which provide background explanations for the concepts referenced in the audio. In practical terms, the product operates as a frequency-based audio listening program with supplemental reading material. For viewers interested in examining the system directly, the instructional documentation referenced in this video is available through the link provided in the description below.